In this video, let's see how to create a fun and engaging WhatsApp quiz with WhatsApp Quizmaker by Joyful Person. First, go to console.joyfulperson.com. You can log in with your email or Google account, or sign up if you do not have an account. Select your account to continue. Please note you will need to verify your phone number on WhatsApp for signing up a new account. Click on the Quizzes option in the navigation bar. Click on the plus Create Quiz button to start creating a new quiz. Customize the starting message your users will send in WhatsApp to start the quiz. Just note this reference code is required. Click Save to continue. Give the quiz a title. Write a description so your users will know what it is about. You can add your company logo. Let's create a question. If you have existing training material, you can import it as an image, document, audio, or video as part of your quiz. Let's type in the first question. To add options, select Add Answer. Type in the multiple choice options. You can add a maximum of 5 options. Select the correct answer. Your users will reply A, B, C, D, or E to answer the question. Write the answer feedback or explanation to the question. Click to save your question. Click to add the next question. This is an example of a true and false question type. For videos, you can upload a file or paste a YouTube link. You can click here to reorder the questions. Or click this icon to copy or duplicate a question. The bin icon to delete a question. Once you are done with all the questions, click Continue. If you want to be notified of your quiz completions on WhatsApp, you can turn this on. You can customize the quiz link to share with your users, then click Save. Let's publish the quiz. There can be no edits after publishing. You share the quiz by copying the link. Share the QR code. Or embed in your website. Let's see how to share it directly on WhatsApp. Click the WhatsApp icon. Personalize the message to send on WhatsApp. Click Share. You can select multiple contacts or groups to share your WhatsApp quiz. Click Next and Send to share. Go to Analytics to see responses. You will see the top error, completion rate, score chart, and responses. To see the phone number, go to Settings to turn it on. You can export all data to CSV too. If you have enabled WhatsApp notifications, you can also get notified on WhatsApp of your quiz completions and response. Give WhatsApp Quizmaker a try, links in description.